The revolutionary no-tool trigger lock mounting kits feature a detached system that allows you to quickly and easily remove or swap out Memphis Shades fairings and windshields. Trigger lock mounting kits are all made of electrocoated aluminum and stainless steel with stainless steel fasteners. They'll never rust or tarnish. They're all angle adjustable too for optimum air control, and once adjusted, you can take fairings and windshields off without losing your adjustment. A pair of spring-loaded glass-filled nylon latches lock your fairing or windshield down rock solid until the trigger lock latches are intentionally disengaged. Kits are all model-specific for a perfect fit and consist of two parts: the anchoring hardware, the part that stays on the bike, and the mounting plates, the part that connects the fairing or windshield to the anchoring hardware on the bike. And because the anchoring hardware is the same for each bike, once you've mounted any Memphis Shades fairing or windshield, a second fairing or windshield can be mounted using just a plate-only kit. And like all of our products, trigger lock mounting kits are made right here in Memphis, Tennessee. Whether you ride a big inch cruiser or a stylish street custom, Memphis Shades has the perfect windshield, fairing, or accessory for your bike and riding style. To learn more about this or any of our other products, check out the full spread at memphisshades.com. Made in Memphis, style that works.